Today's video is sponsored by me. Bring an adjustment clip on top of your clips, trim it down to 8 frames, and select to open it in the Fusion page. Add a camera shake node after. Adjust the shake sliders to your liking. If you want, you can set the edges to wrap, just in case. Bring a transform node after. Right-click to the size slider, and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the source to duration, and check the invert box. Set the offset value to 1. Add a glow node after the transform, adjust the threshold slider to your liking. Right-click to the gain slider, and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the source to duration, and check the invert box. Go to the camera shake node, adjust the sliders to your liking, and you can go back to the edit page and enjoy your incredible transition. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, there is nothing you can do about it.